Hello students. Today we are going to continue our poetry that is in the Inchcap Rock written by the Robert Southey. In last period we discussed that Ralph Sir Ralph the Rower ordered his men ordered the boat to be lowered and his men rowed over to the bayou and Victor Ralph cut the bell loose and it slowly sank into the water. ओके जो रोवर था उसने रॉबर्ट था उसने क्या किया था सॉरी जो राल्फ द रोवर था उसने कि अपने बोटमैन को ऑर्डर किया और वो इंच कैप के नज़दीक वो अपनी नाव को लेके गए और उसने जो राल था उसने वो बेल कट कर दिया और वो वाटर में गिर गई। यहाँ तक क्या हमने देखा था। आगे का जो स्टांजा है वो इस प्रकार। Down sunk the bell with gurgling sound. The bubbles rose and burst around. Quoth Sir Ralph, the next who comes to the rock won't blaze the abbot of the Aberthock. Okay. क्या कहता है? Down sunk the bell with gurgling sound. When the Sir Ralph cut that bell from the inch cap float, then it come down and it come down and sung that into the water of the sea, making a sound that is bubbling sound. Gurgling sound it means bubbling. पानी में जब वो घंटा गिरी, वो बेल गिरी, तो उसके जो साउंड था बबल्स का, वो साउंड के साथ वो जो बेल है वहाँ पे गिरी और वो साउंड निकालते हुए अंदर चली गई. Down sunk the bell with the gurgling sound, the bubbles rose and burst around. Okay. Uh, Now, the Sir quoth Sir Ralph, the next who comes to the rock won't bless the abbot of the Aberthock. He was very satisfied. Okay, when he ordered his men and the big Ralph cut the bell loose and it slowly sank down in the water, making a sound, bubbling sound. Then he was very satisfied that and he think that he said that the next ship would be wrecked and the sailor who would sink near the Inchcap rocks would not bless or thank the abbot of the Aberthock. Okay. In next stanza, Sir Ralph, Sir Ralph the Rover, Sir Ralph the Rover sailed away. He scoured the seas for many a day, and now grown rich with plundered store, he steers his course for the Scotland shore. Scored it means traveled freely or energetically for ships to rub. After cutting bale and the bale sank down into the water of sea, making a sound, bubbling sound, then he become very happy. And that's why he sailed away. The pirate, he was a pirate, okay, Sir Ralph, he was pirate and he sailed away and went about the high seas looking for the ships to loot, looking for ships to rob. Over time, he had looted the great deal of riches. And then he set sail to go back to the Scotland. Plundered store, that means big amount of looted wealth. Okay, after cutting the bale and the bale fall down into the water of the sea, making a sound, bubbling sound, the Ralph the Rover sailed away and went about the high seas looking for ships to loot. And over time, he had looted a great deals of the riches and then set sail to go back to the Scotland. Okay, he steers his course Scotland's shore. Steers it means directs the course of the ship. After looting so many ships, after having so big amount of looted wealth, he turned back toward his land, that is Scotland shore. ओके, जब उसने बेल तोड़ के तो नीचे गिर गई थी, फिर सर राल्फ ने बहुत सारे शिप्स को लूटा, रॉबरी की, और उसके बाद बहुत अमीर बन के बहुत ज़्यादा बिग अमाउंट लूटेड जो वेल्थ है वो लेके वो फिर अपने स्कॉटलैंड की ओर निकल पड़ा. So thick, so thick a haze overspread the sky. Haze means thin mist. ओके, मिस्ट, काय म्हणू आपण त्याला, धुकं हे ना, सकाळी जी धुकं पसरलेलं असते, दॅट इज हेज. सो थिक अ हेज ओव्हर स्प्रेड द स्काय, दे कॅनॉट सी द सन ऑन हाय. The wild hath blowed a gale all day. At evening it hath died away. Oh, on the deck the rover takes his stand. So dark it is they see no land. Quoth Sir Ralph, it will be lighter soon, for there is the dawn of the rising moon. Okay, on the way, on the way on the way of Scotland, when he started to go back to Scotland, and on the way the ship was completely covered in mist है ना. धुकं ज्याला म्हणता येईल मराठीमध्ये, संपूर्ण धुकं तिथे पसरलेलं होतं. अँड हिज शिप वॉज कम्प्लिटली कवर्ड विथ दॅट फॉग. दे कुड नॉट इव्हन सी द सन, है ना. So thick gaze overspread the sky, they cannot see the sun on high. They could not even see the sun. They were blown about the whole day by extremely strong winds. The wind had blow a gale. Gale it means strong wind, है ना, all day. Okay. At evening it had died away. In short, what can we say? That on the way the ship was completely covered in fog. They could not even see the sun in sky. They were blown about the whole day by extremely strong wind. They did not know the direction they were sailing or how far they had sailed, as the sun was blocked. Okay, at evening it had died away. Evening it had died away, it means they are completely directionless. They did not know the directions. They were sailing how far they had sailed, as the sun was blocked. Suddenly in the evening the wind stopped blowing. Okay. यहाँ पे देखिए एक मिनट. Canst hear, said one. Sorry. On the deck, the rover takes his stand. So dark it is, they see no land. They could not see anything. Quoth the Ralph, it will be lighter soon, for there is a dawn of the rising moon. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि their ship was completely covered with the fog, and they could not see even the sun also, and they were blown away the whole day by extremely strong wind. They did not know any directions. They were sailing, and how far they had sailed, as the sun was blocked. Suddenly in the evening the wind stopped blowing. In the darkness, after nightfall, they still had no sense of direction. Okay, in the darkness, after nightfall, they still had no sense of direction. The rover walked about on the deck. The rover, takes the stand. It means he walked around on that deck. He tried to calm himself and his crew by saying soon the moonrise would bring some light. Okay, quoth the Sir Ralph, it will be lighter soon. He was trying to calm himself as well as his men, his crew, by saying soon the moonrise would bring some light. आया समझ में? In short, what can we say? That after cutting the bell which is attached on the Inchcap rock, he become very happy, and in that happiness he roared. He was very satisfied, and next ship would be wrecked, and the sailors who would sink near the Inchcap rock would not bless and thankful the abbot. And he sailed away and went about the high sea looking for ships to loot. Over time, he had looted a great deal of riches, and then he set his sail to go back to Scotland. Okay, but when they returned to Scotland, on that way, their ship was completely covered with mist, with fog, and they could not see even a sun, which is in high. They were blown away. They were blown about whole day by extremely strong wind, but they did not know the direction they were sailing, or how far they had sailed, as sun was blocked. And then suddenly we can say that suddenly in the evening in wind stopped blowing. इन डार्कनेस आफ्टर नाइटफॉल रोवर राल्फ जो है वो डेक पर आता है. रोवर walked about on deck and he tried to calm himself as well as his men also by saying the words that soon the moonrise would bring some light. ओके, आया समझ में. तो वो पूरा जो उनका उनकी जो शिप थी वो पूरा मिस्ट उस पे मिस्ट में वो खो चुकी थी, मतलब पूरे मिस्ट में वो कवर हो चुकी थी. इवन उनको सन भी नहीं दिख रहा था. और जो स्ट्रॉन्ग विंड की वजह से उनकी जो शिप है वो इधर उधर हेलकावे लेते हुए वो आगे बढ़ रहे थे. और इवनिंग अचानकपणे वहाँ पे फिर इवनिंग आई है, तो इवनिंग में विंड थोड़ा नॉर्मल हुआ तो रोवर राल्फ अपने डेक पर आया. वो ट्राई बट वो कुछ भी नहीं देख पा रहा था, उसे कोई लैंड वहाँ पे नहीं दिख रही थी. तो उसने खुद को समझाने की कोशिश की, अपने आप को शांत रखने की कोशिश की, और लोगों को भी जो डेक पर उसके उनके जो आदमी थे उनको भी शांत रहने के लिए वो कहने लगा कि जल्दी ही मूनराइज होगा, मून का लाइट होगा, उनमें शायद हम अपना जो डायरेक्शन है, अपना जो रास्ता है वो हमें दिखने लगेगा. इस तरह से वो खुद को और अपने लोगों को शांत करने की कोशिश करता रहा. ओके, यहाँ पे हम रुकते हैं.